Okay, so I should be live. Everything should be good. And since I last streamed, I have built out the admin portal so that everything right here, um, she can log in right here and then make uh, like I did some very basic like testing items. Um, she can log out here. She can create a title, description, provide the URL for the YouTube link and the Facebook link, and hit create episode, and the links show up right here, right here, right here, right here. So all that is great. All that's good. We had a meeting yesterday. Everything was great. And the existing episodes show up right here. Now, visually, these are working templates. They can be modified, so no worry if it may be hard on the eyes or whatever, but it works. It works, and she likes it, so I'm happy about that. Um, but one thing that we did talk about yesterday, it may just be a me thing and how much of a boy I am, but also my theory on why I chose these colors was really the main the main homepage, the main layout of this was I wanted all of these colors to match. Now, is it's gonna come right here, right here. It matches her shirt, the colors on her shirt. It matches all of that right there. Now, in hindsight, I have been trying to um, keep in mind the audience that I'm building this for, the client and her audience that I'm building this for. But that was one oversight that I had, was using these colors. These colors look, how can I say it? Like very male dominated, I guess. I don't know. Like I don't know how else like to say it. It looks like drab in comparison to like what like girly stuff is. This looks very like, I don't know, like dead, like very like mute. So we talked about it. It wasn't like really too much of a like a. I'm very open to like changing everything, but I just didn't consider the colors of it. I don't know. This is like something that I just wasn't thinking about. So you see this right here? This is what we talked about, was matching the original logo that she gave me to match that. Now, I shied away from that because of what I was doing here. I was trying to match stuff, do all that stuff. But what I wanted to do, or what I'm going to do now, is use this, recolor everything, and go from there and see how everything looks. Do some testing and stuff. It may take a while. It's gonna be me in the lab just doing some color theory stuff, or at least my understanding of color theory, making sure the color balance is all good and everything. But also, main point is to make this a little bit more bold, because one thing she did point out was when like the outline of this pops up, it may seep into the background and it may be a little bit overshadowed by the colors of this whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and where am I gonna go? I'm gonna input this right here. I could make an SVG out of it. I could. I'm gonna try making an SVG out of it first and see what it looks like. But let's go here. Let's go here and put that in there. I don't know what this is gonna look like because it's not like outlined or yep. What is this? Oh well. The strongs look weird for me. Like, I don't know how to like articulate it, but the strongs just look weird for me. Don't do great. I don't know about that. This SVG probably isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. So another thing that I would like to keep the boldness. Wait a minute. Do I have another? I have this. I have this. So I think I'm already using that. Yeah, I'm already using this. I wonder if it's possible to like bolden some of this stuff up. Like, hold up. That might. That's it, right there. To like bolden some of it up. I don't know. Yeah. That looked okay. No, it didn't. Because I'm looking at this right here. Strong. Let's try. Oh, wait. Sorry. Internal. Let's see what these look like. Yep. Nothing pops up. So. These aren't going to work. Man. Huh. Let me think. Let me think. Oh, by the way, this is what my agenda is for today. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna start abiding by like pre-stream making a to do like a small to-do list. Keyword on small because I want to make very like focused and productive days because just earlier I was kind of looking at some of the other streams. In the past two streams that I've had, I've said that like prior to making the public stream or whatever, um, I just wasn't feeling very like productive. I do feel kind of productive today, but I do need to work on making like a routine or a schedule or something. And I think that this is a good like not a routine or a schedule, but like a system of like how I stay focused and efficient. So I think this is a step in the right direction. This is actually the extension in VS Code to do plus. So yeah. Um, this is what I'm doing right now. Is this first one right here is making the logo bolder, but let me actually try to ask Bard for some help. I don't know what kind of prompt I would use, but I have a granted, I'm not the best at prompts. So, what? So thinking the lines. What? You can do that? Another option for vector logos is to expand the stroke. Wait. Let me go and look at mission. No. What? That looks cool. But that's not what I'm going to do. Where else am I using an SVG at? Stroke. This right here. What does this mean? Oh, time to learn. I'll stroke. I could convert what I have. Oh, okay. I think I'm starting to piece this together a little bit. I can like piece together like I can make this right here into an SVG. Cool. Now, from there, let me take this strong off. Let's make it great. Not that one. That doesn't look too bad. This may be the one. Wow. The one thing I'm looking for is just something that has the bar in between the H's. These aren't I have that. But Stroke. Wait, what? I'm not doing any color stuff. The stroke sets the color line. Sets the color of the line drawn around it. Okay. Let's do. I guess that would work. I don't know. Okay. It kind of doesn't even show up on this one either. Fine, I'm gonna go with this. Where is it? Where am I using this at? Oh, okay. I can convert this. Let me go back to Bard and see. Duplicate your image layer and slightly offset the duplicate. You can choose a horizontal. Wait. Reveal and Finder. Here's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try, because this is the only thing that I don't like about this is the fact that that bar, this text, nope. 3 may be the best one. Yeah, 3 may be the best one. Fine. What I'm gonna do right here is make a shape. I don't even know if this is gonna work, but we'll try it. Show colors. I wish there was a way. Please. It's not. Fine. I don't think the color of this really matters. That looks decent. Let me see if I have another trick up my sleeve. There's this. This is the original one. I don't know if this fixes anything. Mm, this is gonna be the exact same thing. One in this. I can actually go ahead and remove that, but this color needs to be in line with what's actually on the screen. Well, then again, I have to remind myself that the color kind of doesn't matter. And honestly, not even kinda. It doesn't even matter. What? Oh. That looks decent, I think. Now, does that change on here? Oh, snap, it does. Now, let's go back. I can probably get that out of here. Get that out of here. Let's go back. Upload. I guess I have to wait for that. It honestly shouldn't take that long. Oops. Wait, that's not the only one that I'm gonna change. That's not the only thing that I'm gonna change. I'm gonna make another one for this A. Wait a minute. I don't like this. Cause one, mm, hmm, what's going on? Okay. I'd like to make a line. What is this? Okay. I don't know what these are. I need a line. I guess I'll just make one. That's not gonna work either. I guess I'll just worry about the crossing. Oops. Okay. Hopefully that helps. This may be absolutely ridiculous, but why can't... Hey, what's up, my fellow Texas brother? Morrow, how you doing? How you doing? I'm currently... Well, today's agenda... I'm trying to... Okay, first off, this is what the site was or is currently on the live version. And I had a meeting yesterday, and I'm a boy, and I also initially I was trying to keep the audience in mind of like what I was building and everything else, but I was trying to use color theory, and I was basing my color off of this headshot right here. It matches her shirt and the color of the logo, but the original logo that she sent me was this. So what I did was I took the background out and made that, or made, well, yeah, made minus this. But I made a transparent background and put it right here. Made it fade in and out. But I have made it so that, or I had a meeting with her yesterday, and we tried this out, and it looks better. It looks more lively. So that's what I'm currently doing right now. This is my agenda for today, making the logo bolder, because one thing that I have going on is this kind of seeps into the background and it kind of gets overtaken by the strong colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to bolden at least the text up, and then use stroke width, make it into an SVG, use stroke width, make it bolder, and hopefully it shows up better. Yeah, well, that makes it more girly and more like, I don't know, makes it more lively, because this, it makes sense, but I also have to keep the audience in mind. So she made that suggestion. I like it. Now it's just a matter of making everything correspond with it and line up with it. So yeah, yeah. But how you doing today? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, yeah. Boys don't have to, like, men don't have to have like any crazy colors going on or anything crazy. All dudes have to worry about is if it works. That's all we care about. Like, I use the example all the time. Like my dad, like in the example of like car manufacturing parts or like automotive parts, lawn mowing parts, and stuff like that. Those sites are like notorious for just like having bland and like basic HTML elements, and like all they care about is if you can find the part in stock or whatever. And those sites look bad by today's standards, but they work. So yeah, my oldest son since birth has been grays and blacks. My oldest daughter, my favorite color is rainbow. Yup, yup. Oh, that's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah. Oh, but right now, what I'm dealing with is trying to make these show up a little bit better whenever I convert it into an SVG. Because as you can see, the bar in the middle of the H doesn't really show up that well. Um, Everything kind of shows up. I can work with it, but I need to make that H show up better. And then from there, I can just bolden up the lines in here. So, yeah. Yeah. Yep. All we care about is if it works. uh, no pop ups, no ads, no nothing. Just like, hey, get out of my way. Let me find my part. uh, I think I'm gonna use this one. I would like to use something that kind of boldens up this butterfly. This boldens it up, but the text at the bottom is kind of ugly. So, and whenever I do the strong or whatever, it I guess I can crop it down. I guess I can crop it down. Yeah, maybe what I do. Wait. This doesn't look bad. But I need the lips to be filled in. Yeah. These lips kind of look like they need chapstick. So I don't know about this one, but I guess I'll finalize on 3. Well, let me look. This SVG. Is it possible for me to? Oh, I can't. I can't. Because this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm trying to figure out if I can crop down. It's probably meant to be glossy lipstick shine, but I can only guess. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out if I can crop down an SVG, but it's not gonna work. Because what happens is this looks okay, but this bottom part and to the right, it like moves it to like the top right corner. So I can't use these. At least for the strong details part. So oh no, wait, hold up. I don't know if you like jazz, but I don't know. I need something playing right now, so I'll probably turn on some jazz music. It may get my creative juices flowing. Whoa. Sorry. My cat says hello. Hey, what's up? Try something, Dove. Hope your stream went well. Hope you're doing okay. And congratulations on the 50 followers and everything. You're making it to the big leagues. Making it to the big leagues. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right now, for context, right now, I'm doing these 3 things today. I want to try to keep it short. Then again, I've already been online for about 38 minutes. But I had a meeting yesterday. I already told Morrow, but I had a meeting yesterday, and these colors look very like in color theory land. This works, like working off of all these colors right here. Also the headshot in color theory land, this works. But keeping the client in mind and the client's audience in mind, I'm building this for women. So I'm a boy. This doesn't, I know, like the black and gold looks so cool to me, but for women, it's important to have like brighter colors and stuff. So I had a meeting and she suggested to use the original logo colors that she sent. So this is what it's going to look like. Brighter, livelier, looks like no one died. Like, it's very inviting. I like it. So yeah. Thank you. Right now I'm trying to convert this into an SVG, and the reason why this spot is right here is because I'm trying to make a more important, like, apparent bridge in the A. I also did it for the H, but after I finish this, I'm going to convert this into an SVG and use stroke width to make it kind of bolder, because if you notice on this one right here, because of the bright colors, it kind of seeps into the background and it gets lost. So I'm going to try to make it look a little bit bolder. So yeah. Yep. So yeah. I hope that it's not gonna be too long of a stream or too boring for people, but you know. I'm trying my best. So, let me get back to this. I'm probably not gonna be able to solve that, but getting back to this, I'm gonna try. Man, scroll please. I'm gonna try this. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully this looks okay. I can try to do that. Trash. Hold up. No. Let me make it a little bit. I think that's good right there. Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming in. I remember that you said that you stream at 1 p.m. When is your other stream? If you're already gone, I'm sorry, but I hope that you have a great day and everybody's doing all right. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not. Let me try to turn up a little bit more. All right. I think he's already out, but I'll truck along. Yeah. I'm gonna see how it looks whenever I try to convert it into an SVG. I'm gonna try. Save it. I don't have to make any other changes. It would be nice to make a change right here, but it's not doing what I would like it to do. It's not doing what I would like it to do. Like, I would like to use this shape right here, but this shape it isn't a line like I thought it would be. It's just, actually, I'm not even gonna mess with it. It makes just a block. So I'm gonna try to save this. Does it show up? Cool. Now I'm gonna upload this. It's not done uploading. No. Some things look off up close and perfect. Yeah, with like proper scaling and stuff, and resolution and all that. Yeah. And you would think, being like a front end dev, at least I would have more of an understanding of stuff like this, but really, I'm more focused on the programming part. So that's where I find enjoyment at. Is just making stuff work. Being a dude, just making stuff work. But I have learned a lot on like color theory and like visual stuff, and I think it's really important, especially in like the business of doing stuff. Like, it's important to be inviting to your users, understand your users, build a UI that corresponds with like how your users use things and stuff like that. So there's a lot on like the artistic side of front-end development that is to be learned. But then there's another side of front-end development of making stuff work, unit testing stuff, all that stuff. And then not to mention, because I used Firebase. I don't know if you're familiar with Firebase or if you're familiar with like technical stuff, but like Firebase is my back end of choice. And even then, I'm kind of interested in learning Node and stuff like that. So front end, back end, full stack work. I don't know. I'm just kind of all over the place, but JavaScript is my main language. So yeah, hopefully, thank you. This looks better, I guess. I don't know. This doesn't look better. This does not look better. Man. Also, like, complete, like, off topic. I've been looking at like my stats on, because YouTube I would say is my main platform, but recently I've been growing a lot. I have like 55 subscribers over here. It makes you feel good. But one thing that I've noticed is like, I think that my views are going down, but my watch time is going up, and I really like seeing my watch time go up. So yeah, I also want to get back into making more YouTube videos, so, or at least shorts to get myself started. I'm only familiar with old MRC scripts, and I barely understood those. Thank you. But I also had a viewer in here by the name of Diego. He was a regular. I haven't seen him in a couple days. Granted, I haven't streamed in a couple days, but he used to make bots, and the closest thing that I understand of that in today's time is Discord bots. Like he said that he would make those like in the 90s and stuff, and the closest comparison that I understood that to is making Discord bots. So using like Python and stuff. And well, Python, I don't know if he used Python for that, but yeah. And those are the IRC things. Like those can be compared to IRC scripts. And then again, I don't even know how to pronounce that acronym, so I apologize. I guess I can move forward with this. And paste that right here. I think the Twitch is comparable to IRC because they both trigger with the command. You mean like exclamation mark, like followage and stuff like that? Oh, yeah, I see it with the exclamation mark. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, sorry. My eyes are getting old. I just now started today. I'm starting to set up my followage stuff with Stream Elements. I don't know if it's working or not, but I'll figure it out whenever I'm off stream, because there's a lot to figure out. But let me see. Let me try to. This Hopefully this doesn't break everything, just blow up. Okay. That looks decent. Now. Yeah, because, okay, the thing is trying to make it look presentable to others. And that's the hard part. Because I want to do so many things, like, creatively with, like, the UI and everything. I know this is, like, basic and boring, but, like, for instance, I stream on both YouTube. I'm streaming on YouTube right now. I stream on both YouTube and Twitch. So, from a viewing perspective, if one person says something on Twitch and another person says something on YouTube, they can't see it. So, I think my next project is going to be making, like, a UI element somewhere around, like, here or here or something. I would like to make something that is, like, on the top banner, but at least making something close to my my camera, and it combines both chats, and it'll have, like, a symbol next to someone's name and their message, so that, like, visually the viewer can see both chats depending on which platform they want to use. So that may be my next project, and I don't know if it's possible. I think these days they've made it a lot easier, because Stream Elements has, like, template overlays and stuff, but I didn't really like any of them. I thought they were, like, a little bit bulky, and I'm not a big enough streamer to have an overlay like that. Like, it was a lot of information you are displayed. But the stream bots is one thing that looked like a rabbit hole to me. The emotes are kind of, like, cool and stuff. So yeah, I use my phone for a camera. It may be bad to do, but I'm not using my phone anyways when I'm streaming, so why not do that? So yeah, the hard part also is, like, balancing between, like, coding and then interacting. So if you are into this work, you absolutely won't be satisfied with less. Yeah, I'll probably build out my own. Wait a second. This isn't doing it. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Yeah. And even then, I don't know if I would really. It would be nice to have a brand and, like, a big audience, like, stream or, like, try something dev. But I don't know. The reason why I stream is because I just want to have something to look back on for, like, history purposes of, like, how far I've come as a developer, like, also how far I've come, like, as a person. Like, I may look different, like, 10 years from now, and I can have, like, a visual archive of what I looked like, how, like, my mannerisms were and stuff like that. So yeah, the only thing about, or the main thing about what you just said, brand develops as you go, it will happen, is the consistency part. Like, keeping consistent with one, programming, two, like, at least turning the stream on and, like, showing yourself. It's just consistency, doing it day in and day out. So yeah. Yeah. What? What? Oh, my bad. I was like, what? Hopefully this looks good. It doesn't. What can I fix with this? Let's try to... That kind of looks better. Just trying to do even more. 10. Yeah, it does show up more, but let me close this out. I don't know. I don't know. Let me go back to this. Oh. Let me try something else. The only thing I don't like about this is the words. All this stuff looks great. It looks good from watching, but you can probably see things I can't see. I mean, yeah. I can probably see things that like the average person can't see, but it's also important to see what the average person sees, because the average person is who's gonna use the application. So I kind of like have to take, well, I do it anyways, but like it's more important to take in what the user sees than what I see. Because it's kind of like a business. Like the customer is always right. So like, yeah. Yeah. But then again, I don't know how I would do that. I don't know how I would make that its own layer. Let me see if I can, because the image is just right. The gold was a good choice. Yeah, but I also do agree with the client. Like she was right. These colors look, or at least these colors do look better, I think. Like if I was just building the website for myself, yes, I would go with this. But for the audience, this looks better. I think. It looks more lively. And then again, I'm a boring person. So I like drab colors. I like rock auto type stuff. If it works, it works. That's what I like. The blue and purple make it look a whole lot brighter and more inviting to women. Yeah. Yeah. Because if I was building this site just for dudes, yeah. This would be the color. Hey, there's nothing wrong with being boring. But... thinking. Because these words look just right to me. Or at least now. that A may need a little fixing. Yeah, it's less chaotic. You don't have to appease people. It's like, all right, this is an even kill. This is what I like to do. I stay out the way. I don't bother anybody. Boring is good. Boring is peaceful. Boring is stable. Now, when you get a little bit extroverted and stuff, that's when problems come. I just want to stay out the way. Okay, chat. Oh yeah, by the way. This is chat. Okay. Let me see. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can do any better than this. It shows up more, yes. But I don't know. Oh, let me try this out. Completely off topic. But I want to try this out and see what it looks like. I don't hate this either. I'm curious about the actual ministry if my... Oh! This is... Well, wait, hold up. This is what I can do. Granted, she may see the website and see all these dark colors and stuff, but I'm going to link it in... Whoops. There's a live version on the web right now. I'm using Firebase hosting, so I think she her ministry is local. Honestly, I'm not a woman, but I kind of want to go to one of these. Like, it seems just positive, but I don't know if I'm even welcome. But yeah, you can pass that link along to her. There is a working contact page now. Wait, it's not working because the emails would... Hold up. X that, because the emails are going to me right now. So X that. I need to ask for her email so that she can receive these emails. But in about a week or so, there's a contact form for prayer requests or questions that you want to ask Diana. So yeah. Then again, I don't know if it's local or not, but she does travel. Like I saw one. She was in Gainesville. Yeah, all over Texas. Actually, it is live. This right here is live right now. So, yeah. I'm trying to think about how I could get her in contact with her besides this contact form, because that contact form is just me. Don't use that. But matter of fact, okay. Give me 2 days. Give me 2 days, and I'll figure out a way. I'll get her information, an email or something, so that your cousin's daughter can get in contact with her. Oh. Does she like Phoenix? I've never found like a real reason to go to Arizona. I feel like it's hotter than Texas. I don't know why. It's like completely random, but I feel like Arizona is just hotter than Texas. I know it's not, but maybe it's just the desert that makes me feel like that. Um, yeah, yeah. Well, that's kind of reverse from what happens normally. Normally, the husband moves to where the wife wants to move. That's what my dad did. He's from East Texas, and he moved here because my mom's from here. So, good for her. Good for her. Yeah. Oh, I don't know how much I can show. Well, let's go back to that. Some code was showing. Ooh, there's another thing. Let me go back to this. Whatever SVGs are in here. No. Would it be? Oh, woman was behind the move, but it wasn't. Yeah. Oh. With that being said, yeah, I'll get definitely on reaching out to my client to link her up with with her community. So, granted, it is. I'll say this. It is Christianity based. She teaches the ministry of God. I don't know what her denomination is, but her ministry is Christian. So also here's kind of like a visual representation of what it looks like. Oh, sorry. Let me turn the music off. There are three ways I suggest we do this. One is through His Word. I guarantee you, if you know His Word, you know Him. Amen. Amen. Isaiah 55:11 says it like this: so shall my word be that goeth forth out of my mouth. It shall not return unto me void. Amen. But it shall accomplish that which I please, and it shall prosper in the thing whereto I sent it. Amen. You might not can predict how He moves, but you need to know that He's going to move, because if He spoke it, that settles it. Psalms 119 says it like this: oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. The word settle means to bring to rest, to establish, and to secure. I don't care how it looks. I don't care how it sounds. I don't care how it smells. Yeah. If God spoke it, it's going to come to pass. I don't care if it seems like He's late, but He is always on time. There was another song. Y'all can tell I was in choir. She already told you there was another song. There was another song. And it was a song that was penned. It said, you can't hurry God. Woo! Oh, you just got to wait. You've got to trust Him and give Him time, no matter how long it takes. He's a God that you can't hurry. Oh, He'll be there. Don't you worry. He may not come when you want Him, but He always on time. Y'all know the song. See, stuff like that is why I wanna go. I'm not a woman, but like I don't know. It's really just rooted in like overcoming like bad stuff. So yeah. But I agree. Like all that stuff kind of really isn't important, but like if you have a strong like foundation, or at least like this is like my opinion, but like if you just have like a strong like spiritual foundation, I feel like that's enough. Like whatever it is, like spiritual foundation, also people that are like-minded, that are positive, that are like that have good intentions and are trying to like better themselves. Like, yeah. So, yeah. But yeah, yeah. This already looks a lot more like inviting and bright. So, yeah. Yeah. But I will say a lot um a lot of that kind of falls on just like things take time. Things take time to like heal and get better. So like it's a matter of when, not if, because it's always gonna get better. Like she's gonna want to find better situations. So yeah, she'll find it on her own terms, on her own time. So it's just a process. Yep. 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 Yeah. Baby steps. Like making a decent looking website. This is hard. But I don't know if it's true or not. But I've heard that like however long it takes, like the healing process takes just as long as how long a person was in a relationship or in a bad situation. Like if you were in like a 2 year relationship, it's gonna take you 2 years to recover fully, or at least like recover to some semblance of what your original state was mentally. So I don't know if it's true or not, but I think there is some validity in like what people say about that. Yeah, that's also it's kind of crazy because like if people are in bad relationships for like 20 years, think about like a 20-year healing process. That's insane. That's insane. But I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. So, but yeah, I think let me try to use this again. Let me just import her logo.png. I'm trying to see what that looks like. I don't. No, I'm not necessarily gonna use this, but I'm just looking at. Hmm, I don't know. I don't know. is gonna take a while. This sucks. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I'm gonna go ahead and check this off. No, wait, hold up. That now. I'm gonna move on to doing the about page. This. What? What just happened? Oh well. Now, I'm gonna try to the fill. I feel like. Oh, wait a second. I can go ahead and what's the background for this? What's the mission slide about? I can go ahead. No. Yes. I can do that. I can also do the same thing for this. Oh, wait. Wait. Mm-hmm. How should I do this? I guess I'm gonna go ahead. Uh, and make this. I can use this right here. Let's try that. Let's try that. Oh. What? Oh. Wait. Okay, progress. I don't think I would have to use this, but now this has actually been a lifesaver for me. This Chrome extension. Take this out. Hashtag that. Boom. Looks pretty seamless. Looks alright. So, uh-oh. Oh well. Okay. Now it's just a matter of how would I do this? Let me ask Bard. No. Wait, could I? Oh, wait. Hmm? I've never seen this before. Let me ask this. Which one is this? Hopefully, hopefully this can work. I imagine it can work. But also, let me see. Let me see what this would even. What did I just do? Why does it do that? You can use a linear gradient element. I don't think this translates. This G. Let me take this fill and stroke off. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Let's take all of this. Oh wait, what would that look like on mobile? Oh, okay, not bad. Oh, it looks worse and worse. Hold up. I gotta fix that too. Okay, you did your job. You did it. You did it. You did it. Please stop. Oh no, it doesn't translate. Let me see what part is saying. Hold up. Please. No, not that. What? Oh, okay. That works. Mm, I do have to fix that though. Cause like, okay, on either larger or different sized monitors, this is gonna look different. See, you can see it. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can see it. So I may have to set up different breakpoints or something. Or not have one at all. That's what I'm gonna do. Just not have one at all. Yup. I fixed it. Problem solving, baby. Let's go. Granted, I made my own problems. So, all right. All right. This right here. Founder section. I need to make it. Oh, what I can do is use that. Simple. There it is. Boom. This has to. What did I have on here? Oh, that may take a while. To break up that Facebook video. Sorry. My bad. I was just trying to breathe in, but then, like, I don't know what happened. But this has. Is it possible that I can have a border bottom of. Where's the border bottom at? Oh, this is a border top? Okay. I don't know if I can do that. that resembles. You can achieve. Thank you. I knew there was something that could be done. Oh no. Oh. Oh. It already does it. It did it for me. Cool, cool, cool. Then let's make this. Oops. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Turn this music back on.
I hate that I can't tell you that yesterday never know and try not to let it show. Mind games just to let you go. I hate that you don't want it. I hate that I'm still so sweet, as if it might change something when you're ready to remember me. I know your birthday. I know all of your favorite shit. When you were talking, I was listening. Yet I still can't win. I hate that you don't call me. Like to think that we're still cool, and I will feel like a fool every time it rings out. Just I hate that I was so.
I mean, sure that works, but let me update that.
Because I'm good to you. I was so good to you. I'd be so good to you. I know I'm gonna fight because I'm good to you. I just wanna be free. Be so free. I wanna be free. I just wanna be free. Free of the love. I just wanna be free of the love I was saying. I just wanna be
That works.
free of your love.
It doesn't work. I mean, as you get smaller and smaller, it does work, but as you get smaller and smaller, it doesn't work. Because then it just starts looking like the same thing. Wait a second. So as I get bigger, this is gonna look worse. Let's try. Let's get crazy with it. What is that good? previous. Use that. What on next? Use that. I don't know if I'm doing too much. I may have to tear this whole thing down and make the background. Oh. Okay. I think I know what I have to do to make this like a little bit more responsive. I may have to make the background, the body of this. It's gonna look ugly and ridiculous at first, but yeah. What's the footer background? Okay. Top nav. Is it possible for me to make the background color? No, I had it right. Yeah. Now I can't see anything. This sucks. Okay. I'll write that. But have what? I'm gonna try to see if it does that. It might not. It does. Awesome. Thanks for coming. Tomorrow. I'll probably stream tomorrow. I hope you enjoy your guest. I hope you enjoy your day. Oh, I didn't know you were still lurking. Try something, Dev. How you doing? Oh, well, what great timing. Hope the kiddos are alright. Before you had left, I think right when you had left, when you had said goodbye, you had said your stream schedule of when you go live. I had to write it down somewhere. Cause I remember 1 p.m., but I don't remember the other one. I don't know if it was 1 a.m. I don't know. 5 a.m. Okay. So your 1 p.m. is my noon, and your 5 a.m. Okay, yeah. Okay. Cool. Good deal. Now I know. Cause, okay, honestly, sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night, and like, for some reason, I go to my computer, and I see you online, I'm like, wait. What's going on? But, now I know. So, yeah. That's good. Because then again, you may catch some people. Yeah, I know how excited you are for the mind together command. Because the whole like streaming late at night thing, you could catch some people that are up really late and stuff like that, like US times, but you also could get a different audience from like Europe and overseas and stuff. So it works hand in hand. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm really excited to see how that mind together thing comes along too. I think that's like a genius idea. Like, I didn't even know if that was possible, but anything is possible with code. So, yeah. But yeah, right now, I'm kind of realizing that I have to like restructure my entire like color layout in order to match what I would like to do with this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna have to change all of this. Change. This background is gonna have to be none. Wait, would it be none? I'm realizing I may have to turn this back into an image. Turn this back into an... Wait. Do something... I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it as is. That might be what I do. Oh. Could I? Chat, please. No. Now, what if I just set the color to 9? I just like X that out. Huh?
Don't try to push me down.
Why would this ever be white?
Can't stop running.
I don't understand that one. I don't know why that's there. But
Just can't stop turning. Your heart is
I like how this looks currently. I just wish that this is what I'm gonna do.
catch the fire.
This is what I'm gonna make it do.
Don't wanna pray and stay apart. And oh, I need the fever. Oh, I need to feel my feet on the ground. And oh, I need the fever. Yes, I need to see the other side. The other side.
What really sucks is on Chrome, the font weights don't really translate. But on Safari, each level of what I set the font weight to be, it responds. It but oh well. Oh well.
Yes, I need to see the other side. The other side.
I don't think I'm gonna do all of this on stream today. I can count this as being done. The about page SVG in the background being lighter colors. I can count that. But I'll do this one off stream. Is it possible? What? Whatever. But I'll do this one off stream. So yeah, I think I'm kind of tuckered out for today. Also, I have some more stuff to do on the back end of stuff and figuring out stream elements and stuff like that. So yeah. I hope everyone's doing well. Yeah. I suppose you aren't online. I guess I'll just go ahead and end. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and end. I'm not gonna raid anybody, but yeah. Have a great day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll see you later today. So yeah. Hopefully, I have Minecraft already downloaded. I hope it's Java edition, but hopefully I'll be able to join. So yeah. But all right. Later.